Daddy issues, also known as a father complex, describes emotional and relationship challenges in adulthood that arise from an absent, uninvolved, or unsupportive father, affecting men just as frequently as women. These issues stem from a lack of paternal love and support, often from fathers who are emotionally unavailable, abusive, controlling, or overindulgent, and can manifest in various ways, including a constant need for reassurance, fear of abandonment or change, struggles with anxiety and depression, attention-seeking behaviors, or extreme introversion, insecurity, and clinginess in relationships. To cope and heal, individuals can benefit from practices like journaling, prioritizing self-care, setting healthy personal boundaries, and most effectively, seeking professional guidance from a therapist. When supporting a man navigating a father complex, offer empathy and a patient ear, encouraging him to share at his own pace. However, be sure to maintain your boundaries and prioritize your own well-being throughout the process.